I can do it. And we're gonna get right to it.
Yes, sir.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm taking you guys along for a wild ride as I try to hit my daily goal, completing Walmart Spark orders. But it's definitely worth it when you see that paycheck at the end of the week. Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy, the Dash and Trader, and on this channel, we help you maximize using gig apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Walmart Spark, Instacart, all of them. And today, I'm gonna take you along with me as I show you how I try to hit my daily goal while completing Walmart Spark orders. Can it be done? I don't know. Actually, I do know. I can do it. And we're gonna get right to it. It's already later in the day. It's been raining all day. Let's just go ahead and head on over to Walmart, see what we get. Well, that didn't take long at all. Looks like we got our first order already. We got $16.43 right over here at the Wood River Walmart. That's gonna be the 1071 Walmart. $16.43 for 0.8. That's a lot of dollars for that 1 mile. And let's see, it's only 12 items. And it's not even going to an apartment. I don't know exactly how far away I am from this Walmart, but I'm gonna go ahead and start this trip, hit navigation, hit start, and let's just go ahead and see, because that's a good miles to money. That's an awesome miles to money ratio. But how far away am I from this store? I'm 20 minutes away. I'm gonna drive 20 minutes to then drive less than a mile to make 16 bucks. This order definitely gonna be ready when I get there. Let's head on over to Wood River and get this order done. We made it on over to Walmart. This is actually the Wood River Bethalto area Walmart. And the pickup time for this one was 4:32. So it's now 4 time is now 4:40. So I'm finna head right on over to this pickup area, and hopefully they run this order right out to me. We made it over here where we need to be. This is my first time being to this Walmart, and this mug's jamming. They got over 30 pickup spots for Walmart Spark. I'm in spot number 15, but they literally got over 30 spots. That's how you know they be jamming. When I turned on Spark, it was literally over 30 to 35 different orders just in this Walmart zone over here, and I'm not used to that. When I was out in Sioux Falls, they had 4 Walmarts, but at any given time, you wouldn't see more than 5-10 orders on there, and that's at the busiest time. I don't even think this is the busiest time right now, but it literally was just so many orders on there that you couldn't even swipe through them all before the screen tried to update you with some more orders. Like, it's just crazy. So if you're doing Walmart Spark out here in the St. Louis region and you're not hitting your daily goals, we gonna fix that, because it is so much money to be made out here. And it may be some parts of town you don't like going to. You might have to go ahead and go to some uncomfortable areas, because look, you gotta get this money. I know I am. I'm about to be exceeding my goals when I really get out here and learn these markets and learn these different stores, and it's about to be jamming. You got all different types of folks out here. You got older folks, younger folks, like everybody out here getting this Walmart Spark money. So you got Walmart Spark, you got DoorDash, Uber. Between all those different apps, you can hit your daily goal, if not exceed that, and set some new goals. I keep turning it off. Alrighty, Walmart Spark order in the car. It took them only 4 minutes to bring that thing out. They is jamming over here. $16.43, I believe, for this order. First order. Let's get this money. Look, Walmart Spark is so easy to do. It's easy money. You get your vehicle, you get your Walmart, you pull up, you grab the groceries, which you get you a batched order, or you get you a single or a double, and you get out there, you make that money. And as long as you got multiple Walmarts in a nice size market, nice population, it's money to be made. First order, got it done. Now that order did take me a little bit to the hood. Know what, it's all good. So now I'm ready for order number 2. They got another one over here at the Granite City store. I don't know. Look, I'm in the hood, so I'm finna pull off because I don't want nobody pulling up on me while I'm recording, but we're gonna see what we get next. Looks like the Dash and Trader gonna be hitting that daily goal sooner than later. I just got my next order, $19.22. Same Walmart I just left from. This is a double order right here, but it's only 3.1 miles. Like, let's go. Like, nobody is finna argue with that or turn that down. Basically a $20 bill for 3 miles, and guess what? It's already ready, so guess what? I'm about to pull up and get this money. Look, I do this to show you that it's money to be made out here if you're willing to get it. Like I say, it's money to make if you're willing to facilitate. And you can't be the fastest dasher alive, because there can only be one, but you can still get out there and make your money. You can still do what you need to do. You just can't be FDA. They brung that Spark order out right in time, because look, I was sitting there for about 10 minutes and I was getting ready to cancel that order. And I was gonna pick it back up if they'd have sent it to me, but I was getting ready to cancel it to see if I can get something else. Because the thing is, when they hit about 4 or 5 cars that pull up after me, that's when I start looking like, okay, it's time to think about unassigning this one, because time is money. Now, Walmart Spark is easy. You ain't gotta do nothing but sit there and wait. And it ain't the employee's fault, but I gotta keep the wheels rolling. So make sure you make an educated decision when you out there waiting on them Walmart Spark orders. Just made it to my first drop off. Wasn't even, what, 6 minutes away? Alrighty, first 2 orders done. $19.22 and a $16 order, that's like $36, and the time is 5:46. That means we 1 hour in. That's good money for 1 hour right there. I'm gonna see if I can get another order. Just look at all these orders. Look, this is what I'm saying. Like, it's so much money out here to be made. I don't understand if you're not making it. It don't make no sense. Yes, sir. So I got one. Next order is gonna be $15.96 for 2.7 miles, right at the same Walmart that I just came from, the one I'm closest to. Let's get this money. If I can get this done quickly and get another 2 after that, before the second hour's up, we in good shape. Man, that's good money. Let's go ahead and head over. It did say pick up ASAP, so hopefully it's ready to go, but you never know. We're gonna go ahead and see. Not bad at all. That one was a little weight on that one. We had about about 7 cars pull up, and they all was getting orders. I finally got mine. Now it's only 7 minutes away on this delivery, so we looking good. But as you can see, it didn't got dark out here. It's dark as hell now. All good though, cause look, if I keep getting these quick deliveries, I'm gonna keep running it up, cause I don't even know what I want to set my daily goal as, but I'm just testing out these markets with all the different apps. That's the beauty of being a multi-apper. The other day I did my first day of DoorDash in a new zone. Now today I'm doing my first day of Walmart Spark in this new zone over here. And it's gonna be a lot of first days with new zones. This is what you gotta realize. It's lots of zones out here. So I got lots of areas to try out. Let's go ahead and get to this bag. Yep. I'm doing the drop off too. We are in the same boat. The easy Walmart Spark drop off. Easy money. Right back like I never left. I've been gone 10 minutes, back already. Next order already on the phone, $24.93. This one came in as a double order, but then I accepted it's right. It's an alcohol order, but then boom, one of the orders ain't on there. So it's actually one order, $24.93, and I got the alcohol part of the order. Let's get it. Maybe that's why it's saying it's 2 orders. I'm not sure. This is actually my very first time doing an alcohol delivery, or doing a delivery on Walmart Spark that contains alcohol. Not sure if it's gonna require like some extra signatures or some extra verification. I'm just not sure at all. So we're gonna find out, but this is good miles to money ratio right here. We got $24.93 for what that? 4.4 miles? 5 to 1. Am I tripping or is that 5 to 1? Let's go. So we finna wait for this order. It's actually clearing out a bit now. The parking lot is not quite as full as it was a minute ago. Here, I'll show y'all. Y'all can have a look. See, parking lot ain't quite full as it was earlier. You know, it's a couple cars up here, but it ain't terrible. But it's still money to be made out here. When I got done with that last order and I got my offer screen back up and see what was out there, it was still like 20 orders on there. 3 or 4 of them was shop and delivers. A lot of them was batched orders, but it was a lot of single and double orders on there too. That's why I went on and snatched this one. So make that money. Don't let nothing discourage you. Don't give up. Look, some days it's hard to be motivated. I actually woke up this morning. I was planning on getting out at 8 o'clock in the morning, but then I was like, man, I gotta do this. I gotta do that. I gotta move the studio. I had to go to Walmart myself and get a couple items for the family. But then as the day went on, I said, you know what? Yeah, I wasn't motivated to get up and get out, but I'm up now and I got a little bit of energy. Let me get out, get these things done, and if I can, let me make it back and make some money. And that's what we're doing right now. You ain't always got to go hard 100,000% every day, but if you can go ahead and crank that dial up a little bit as your day goes on, that works too. Boom. Stop playing with me. We getting this money. Let's go. It's dark as hell, but it's all good though, because you know what? It's a lot of people that start their day off early, and when 5 o'clock start rolling around, they done. They not working no more after that. So I'm out here to get this money and pick up where they left off. Alrighty, we are officially done. Goal is hit. I didn't even set a goal, but my goal was to go out, test my market. So the goal has been hit. We did an order for $16.43, $19.22, $15.96, and the last order coming in at $24.93. I think I said order number 3 when I dropped it off, but I was mistaken. That was order number 4. Bringing our total to $76.54. And guess what? I did it in 2 hours, started at 4:45 and got done with that last order at 6:50. So a little bit over 2 hours and like a 10-minute drive back to the crib, but that's 2 hours of work. 76 bucks. That's what, $35.50 per hour. Let's go. No, that's $37 and something per hour. But what I'm trying to tell you is that's good money. I can't go do no $10, $15, $20 an hour job when I'm making money like this. You can too. Just stay motivated. Follow the tips I show you. You know, miles to money ratio is important. Wait time is important. Multi-apping is important. You can do it too. Make that money, hit your goals, and have your own financial freedom. Be able to work on your own time time and spend more time with your family. That's what I do. That's why I love the gig apps and the gig economy in general, because it allows us that freedom that traditionally we have not had access to working these 9-to-5 W-2 jobs. If you're enjoying this content, make sure you leave me with a like and a subscribe. Thank you so much, and I'll catch you in the next one.